In this video, I'll show you how to stop Spotify from changing or skipping songs when you lift your phone. First, it's important to know that this issue is usually not caused by Spotify itself. In most cases, it's triggered by motion controls, gesture features, or hardware settings on your device that accidentally send media commands when the phone is moved. To fix this, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, look for Gestures, Motions, and Gestures, or a similar option, depending on your device. From there, check for any media control features that allow gestures, motion actions, or button shortcuts to control music playback. If you find a feature that lets you skip tracks or control media through gestures, turn it off. You should also check any connected headphones or Bluetooth devices, as some accessories can accidentally send track skip commands when moved. Once you've disabled those features, open Spotify again and test whether the issue has been resolved. And that's it. That's how you can stop Spotify from changing songs when you lift your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.